Hi, welcome to another Speech Active bonus lesson. In this lesson, we'll revise all of the vowel sounds in English. You can also use this lesson to become more familiar with the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA. Now, as you know, English is not a phonetic language. This means that the way a word is written doesn't tell us exactly what sounds to make. Remember that when we're writing, we use letters. When we're talking, we use sounds. To write those sounds, we need to use the IPA. Now, you don't need to learn every IPA symbol, but there are some things that are very, very helpful about the IPA that it is good for you to know. Click this link to revise those important aspects of the IPA. Now, there are three types of vowel sounds in English: short vowels, long vowels, and double or diphthong vowels. As we go through them, pay attention to the mouth positions. You'll notice that some vowels like O and O have quite an open jaw position. Many non-native speakers don't open their mouths enough. This is because sounds like these are more closed in their first language. So remember to pay attention to how open or closed the vowels are, and of course, importantly, the vowel length, whether it's short, long, or double. Let's start with short vowels. I, sit, hip, lid, tick, pet, step, head, neck, flat, map, tap, back, hot, stop, long, clock, cut, cup, one, luck, put, look, good, cook, and schwa. Schwa is a weak vowel used in many unstressed syllables. You'll learn all about schwa and how to use it like a native speaker in your Speech Active course. Apart, about, control, pilot. And now long single vowels. The double dots after each one tells us it's a long vowel. Focus on getting good vowel length. E, seat, sheep, leak, team, ah, start, laugh, dark, ask, ooh, shoe, new, soon, flew, or, short, form, pork, course, hurt, word, work, shirt. And now diphthong vowels. These are double vowels, so there are two sounds in a row. So for each one, make sure you can feel and hear two vowels, one after the other. I, by, why, flight, night, a, say, late, wait, train, oi, boy, choice, voice, noise, ow, how, now, town, brown, oh, no, phone, home, spoke, ear, here, near, fear, beer, air, hair, share, pair, chair, ua, pure, tour, lure, cure. And that's the end of this bonus lesson on all the vowels in English. Keep actively listening and speaking as much English as you can. I'll see you again soon. Bye.